Join me as I dive into the world of electric ships and challenge myself to predict if they will really take over the seas by 2024. Start with a surprising statistic about the growth of electric ships or a thought-provoking question about the future of maritime transport. Introduce the concept of electric ships and their potential impact on the shipping industry, setting the context for the discussion. Discuss the current challenges facing the shipping industry, such as environmental concerns and fuel costs, that electric ships aim to address. Explore the technological advancements in electric ship designs, the companies leading the charge, and the regulatory landscape affecting their adoption. Highlight a landmark event or breakthrough in the electric ship sector that could signify a turning point in their mainstream adoption. Summarize the key points discussed regarding the potential of electric ships to transform maritime transport and their expected timeline. Encourage viewers to comment on their thoughts about electric ships and invite them to watch another video related to innovations in transportation. The concept of electric ships is gaining momentum, and for good reason. They have the potential to revolutionize the shipping industry as we know it, reducing emissions, operating costs, and our reliance on fossil fuels. But can they really take over the seas by 2024? That's what we're here to explore. The shipping industry is facing some major challenges right now. One of the biggest concerns is the environmental impact of traditional vessels. They're significant contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, and the International Maritime Organization has set a goal to reduce these emissions by at least 50% by 2050. On top of that, fuel costs are skyrocketing, making it a major expense for shipping companies. Electric ships offer a promising solution to these problems. They produce zero emissions, and operating costs are significantly lower. Another challenge the industry is facing is the need for increased efficiency. With the rise of e-commerce, there's a growing demand for fast and reliable transportation of goods. Electric ships can help meet this demand with their ability to maintain a consistent speed, reducing transit times and increasing the overall efficiency of the supply chain. Additionally, electric ships require less maintenance than traditional vessels, which means less downtime and more time on the water. The industry is also held back by outdated infrastructure. Many ports and terminals lack the necessary charging infrastructure to support electric ships. However, as the demand for electric vessels grows, we're seeing a push for investment in this infrastructure. Governments and private companies are working together to develop charging points and other necessary infrastructure to support the widespread adoption of electric ships. Despite these challenges, the shipping industry is ripe for disruption. Electric ships offer a unique opportunity for companies to get ahead of the curve and establish themselves as leaders in sustainable transportation. So, who's leading the charge in electric ship design and development? Companies like Norway's Kongsberg Gruppen and Japan's NYK Line are at the forefront of electric ship development. They're investing heavily in research and development, and we're starting to see some impressive results. Kongsberg has developed an electric-powered ferry that can carry up to 550 passengers. And NYK Line has launched a hybrid electric ship that can reduce emissions by up to 50%. These advancements are paving the way for the widespread adoption of electric ships. Regulatory bodies are also playing a crucial role in the adoption of electric ships. The International Maritime Organization has set strict emission standards for new vessels, and governments around the world are offering incentives for companies that invest in sustainable transportation. In Norway, for example, electric ships are exempt from certain taxes and fees, making them a more attractive option for shipping companies. One of the most significant breakthroughs in the electric ship sector was the launch of the Yarra Birkeland, the world's first fully electric container ship. This vessel is a game changer, with the ability to reduce emissions by up to 1,000 tons per year. Its launch marks a turning point in the development of electric ships, and we can expect to see many more vessels like it in the coming years. In 2020, the Norwegian government announced a plan to establish a network of electric ship highways with charging points along the country's coastline. This infrastructure will support the widespread adoption of electric ships, and we can expect to see other countries follow suit. The launch of the Yarra Birkeland is a significant milestone, but it's not the only breakthrough in the electric ship sector. In 2022, a group of researchers developed a new type of battery that's specifically designed for electric ships. This battery is more efficient, more cost-effective, and more sustainable than traditional batteries, making it a crucial component in the development of electric vessels. So, what does the future hold for electric ships? Will they really take over the seas by 2024? While we may not see a complete transition to electric ships by then, we can expect to see a significant increase in their adoption. With continued investment in research and development, infrastructure, and regulatory support, electric ships are poised to transform the shipping industry. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of electric ships. If you're as excited as I am about the potential of sustainable transportation, be sure to check out my next video on the future of electric aviation. And let me know in the comments, do you think electric ships will take over the seas by 2024?